guys, welcome to this week's episode of So Addicts. Today's video is sponsored by Elzama, which is a fashion company on Amazon. Now, I received a few scarves from this company, and I gotta say guys, they are so good. They are some lightweight, beautiful printed, microfiber feel scarf. They're so soft. They're they're lightweight scarves, so they're supposed to be soft, but they feel and actually look soft. And I can't even help but just talk about the design of the scarf. They're so stylish. I was really excited to actually style this for you guys and create this wonderful lookbook. They come in all kinds of colors, and guys, they are really long. I'm like stretching. They're really long. Just think about how many times you can actually wrap this thing. I know. And this color is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. All their colors are so beautiful depending on how you're gonna style it or what you're gonna wear. I mean, it's just a great scarf. So I'm so excited about this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos from me. And let's jump right in. Of this tutorial, guys. I love this scarf. As you can tell, I was able to style it all kinds of ways, like I'm doing right now. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this fall lookbook. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or you just want to say hi, please scroll down and leave me a couple of words. I'm definitely going to be reading those. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can see more awesome videos from me. And I hope to catch you guys next week.